Scratch, we are going to be making this shooter game where you can use the spacebar to fire lasers at rocks and you can use the arrow keys to move. Now, this is a highly unsophisticated game and it's pretty simple and good for beginners in Scratch. So first, and it has a score, which is something that I will also show you how to do, even though it is technically an add-on from the original project. So first, open a new tab and go to Scratch. Then click Create. This makes a new project for you to edit and do whatever you want on. So we don't need this Scratch Cat. We need a rocket ship. So we're going to get rid of the Scratch Cat and choose a new different sprite. And we're going to search up rocket ship in the search bar. Now we have a rocket ship. So we're going to need to make it move with the arrow keys. So we're going to have a when green flag clicked forever. If this is a very useful block. If this condition is true, whatever you plop in there, then you do this. If not, then you don't do this. So we're going to have a if the key right arrow pressed, we're going to want to move right. So we're going to change the X by 10. So now if I click on this, then we move to the right. But we have no way to get back. So we're going to duplicate this and choose the left arrow and make this -10, so we move the opposite direction. Now, So, now you may have noticed that in this game, he's way down at the bottom and much smaller. See? Down here. Much smaller. So we can do this by setting the size to 30. No, that's way too small. 50? That's probably about right. Now, when we click it, it'll go to there and stay the same size. But still, here, it was near the bottom. So we're going to fix that by having a set Y to -160. Now when we do it, it'll go down. I just dragged it up. So, way down here. Cool. So now, that's our movement. Leave a like down below if you want me to make more Scratch tutorials.